Si Mami Karing po is mahilig po sa ballroom dancing. And I'm speaking in behalf of the Quezon City Circle Ballroomers. And of course, the Quezon City Ballroomers. All around Quezon City po ito. Kasi si Mami Karing po, halos lahat po pinupuntahan niya na ballroom events. So napakahilig niya pong sumayaw. So tonight, we're going to give her a very special tribute for her. So since mahilig po siyang mag-ballroom dancing, we, Quezon City dance instructors and organizers are here tonight to celebrate the gift of life of Mami Karing. So palakpakan po natin and let's party! First around, we have babae po, we have girls dance instructors, and may lalaki po tayong dance instructor. Yung mga gusto pong sumayaw, pwede po kayo mag-join po sa amin.